Hello everybody, welcome to an unboxing. Thanks to some very nice people on Coffee, link below. I'm able to afford one of these. And this is the Esperanza Gaming for Professionals RGB Illuminated notebook cooling pad with mobile phone stand. Galerne, I don't know. This is of course a laptop cooling base fan, I don't know, whatever you call it. I bought it for, well, it's the cheapest solution in trying to make my laptop live a little longer. So yeah, let's see, it has the LCD display, six grades of fan speed, 3 big and 3 small fans, 7 adjustable stand angles, 10 modes of RGB illumination. PC and Mac, okay. There's no software as far as I know. 6 fans, 2 USB hub, phone not included in the package. That's good to know, I guess. Okay, more stuff in the back. Let's see. Yeah, same information. Technical data, there's LCD display, blah blah blah. Airflow 63 up to 85 CFM. Fan speed, the big fans 1000 to 1300 RPM. The small fans 2600 to 3000 RPM. Noise level 17 to 20 dBA. Rated voltage DC 5 volt, power 5 watts, USB ports 2.0 times 2. Fans dimensions, big is 110 by 110 by 15 millimeter, and the small 70 by 70 by 15 millimeter. The overall dimension for the base 415 by 300 by 33 millimeters. And I guess I'm gonna open it. It is in some protected plastic. Let's remove it. Oh, the smell! It's like flowers on an open field during spring, or heavy plastic and chemicals. Take your pick. Okay, we have 2 things inside. 3 things, including the actual this one. Oh my god, smell. Oh, so good. Yeah, good. Oh man. Well, there goes 5 years of my life. All right. We have manual. Are you freaking kidding me? How is anyone going to read this? Do you know how small these are? This must be the smallest text I have ever seen printed. And I used to have a very tiny dictionary, pocket one, like. Yeah, okay, I'm not going to read this. The smell. Okay, there is a braided USB cable, Type A to Type A. Not Type A, just Type A. Thank you. I'm here every night. Anyway, it's not very long one. You can see it's about perhaps half a meter, perhaps. Oh wait, I have yeah, I can measure it actually. So let's go like this. So from one angle, from this one, from here, it is oh, it's longer than half a meter. 58 centimeters. 57, 58 centimeters, and I'm measuring it from this up to this part and from this part. So if it is fully plugged in. Oh, the smell. Oh man, there goes my life. Okay, in terms of weight, it's average weight, nothing too heavy, but not light either. There are RGB lights on the base, all around, goes 360. And there is an LCD screen here with 4 buttons: power, volume, and light. I don't know what they do exactly. We have 2 feet here so that you can have the laptop. That's fine. I'm trying to locate the fans. It's not very easy actually. Okay, I can see them now. There is 1, 2, 3 large ones. You might be able to see it on the video, and 2 small ones here. Let's check the back, the underside. Okay, there are some rubber feet. That's good. You don't want it to move. And what is this? Oh man, it smells so bad. I really don't understand what's going on here. Can you? I don't think you can actually move this. Oh, well, if you can, I don't know how. And I'm a bit worried that I might break it. But surely there must be a way for this to go a little bit higher, right? Okay, let me check the instructions. The instructions are not helpful. You know what? I don't think there are any legs here that you can raise. Or other. Well, this is a good video so far. Oh. Okay. So I can open this from the bottom. This is weird. You know what? I think you can open this strictly to do maintenance. I'm guessing. I don't know if you can actually do that. I mean, there are screws all around, so probably you can. So perhaps you can open this simply to either help you open it, or perhaps pick up any dust and, you know, hair or whatever. But I'm pretty sure this is not to have the laptop stand, because this is a bit flimsy. I don't think this will hold. Unless I'm missing something, I think this is it. So you cannot really raise this at all, other than whatever little bit it is, a couple of centimeters. Okay, oops. All right, let me plug this in. Okay, problems so far. Well, now, actually I was wrong. This can indeed be opened, as I said before, but there is a metallic stand here. And as you can see on this side, there are several places we can lock it on. In this way, you can indeed have the stand quite a lot. So, and there are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different levels. So that's fun. And by fun, I mean that's good. That's good, good. The problem now I cannot figure out where to plug this in, because the only USB ports are on the right side. It says USB 1, USB 2, but no input or anything like that. And I assume USB 1 and USB 2 mean output. And there are no other USB ports I can see anywhere. Okay, let me try this anyway. Let me try the USB 1. And I'm gonna have this on the wrong side because I don't have a USB hub on the right to power this. Excuse me. And this is a short cable right now. And okay, let's power this up. Okay. Okay. So it does work like this. Very little air, but you can definitely feel it. And let me see what we can do with these. This changes the speed fan. I think this is the maximum. Oh, the smell. Oh, this cannot be good for me. Yeah, it does provide air, but don't think this is gonna be very strong air. For example, let's see. I have the manual here, okay? Yeah. You can barely see it a little bit moving. Yeah, you can definitely see it, but this is at maximum. Okay, let's have it at minimum. Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely less powerful at minimum than at maximum, and a bit less noisy. Doesn't go any lower than that. Let's go up to the maximum again. Yeah, this is not going to... Let's say that this is not going to cool you. And I guess it's gonna help with the laptop. It's definitely more powerful than a deep cool one I have, which you cannot even feel the air. But I am a bit disappointed because I was expecting more air coming from this. Noise level, you can hear it, but if you have a laptop on, you're not going to hear this at all. And you do have the lights. Let's see. Okay, you can change color. Red, green, blue, blue, purple. Flashing between colors. And from what I can see, the fan colors remain blue while the strip changes when you press this. Red. Let me show it to you a little bit more perhaps. It's not bad. It's not bad. I didn't buy it for the lights. And this. And it is quite, I have quite a lot of light in this room right now because I'm recording. I'm sure it's gonna look far better if I have lights off, or you know, if it's a bit darker. I like it, I like it, I like it. The lights, I mean, are quite good. Let me go again for that one. Yeah, and overall, does this switch it off? Yes, it does. But not the light, just the fans. Only fans. Yeah, I don't know how well it's gonna work, but it's definitely gonna help. I know that. I guess it depends also on the laptop you have and what you expect from it. It's not going to solve any major issues with the laptop, but it will probably help a few degrees, depending on the situation again. Thank you very much for watching. Please hit the like, subscribe and all that. If you also want to help with donating to the channel, you can do so with the Ko-fi link down below. This is quite cool actually. And I'm not really an RGB guy, kind of guy. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.